Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Workable, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Workable, start by visiting the Workable website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, click on Create Account. Next, check your email for a verification message from Workable. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Workable login page. Enter your email and password, then click on Login. You will see the Workable dashboard upon successful login. To connect with your job board, navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. Click on the Integrations tab to see available options. Select the job board you want to connect with from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. After authorizing, return to the dashboard to verify the integration. Now, go to the Jobs section to create a new job listing. Fill in the job details as prompted. Finally, publish your job listing to share it across your connected job board. You are now successfully connected with Workable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.